Peppa and Friends. Peppa loves her friends. She says them every day at playgroup. Sometimes Peppa goes to playgroup early because she has joined breakfast club. Pop, 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 pop. At breakfast club, there is cereal, fruits, lots of toast. Please, can I have a slice? Asked Peppa. Pop! Toast comes out for Peppa and all her friends. Hooray! Susie Sheep is Peppa's best friend. They have played together since they were babies. Peppa and Susie like pretending. If they forget their bicycles, they ride and pretend once instead. My pretend bicycle has got sparkly wheels, says Peppa, and it's painted like a rainbow. Susie gets on her pretend bicycle. My bike is pink and fluffy, she says. Danny Dog likes dressing up with Peppa. They love to dress as pirates. Shivered me timbers, says Danny. Where's me pieces of 8? Pardon? Asked Peppa. Pirate talk can be a bit difficult to understand. Danny points to the map. They need to find the pirate treasure. Peppa spots a bag of chocolate coins beside the sofa. There it is, she cries. Mandy Mouse is Peppa's new friend. Mandy is good at playing the recorder. Let's play a song together, she says. Good idea, Mandy, says Peppa. 1, 2, 3. Toot, toot, toot. Peppa and Mandy lift their recorders. Then they put their fingers over the holes and blow. Madame Gazelle smiled. Oh my, what a lovely music. Rebecca Rabbit and Peppa loves animals. Today, they're at the Petting Farm. The Petting Farm is a place where you go to meet tiny little animals. Peppa gaps. Look at all the guinea pigs. The guinea pigs are very fury. They run up to see Peppa and Rebecca. Rebecca stroked an orange guinea pig. Can you hear him squeaking, Peppa? Pedro Pony makes Peppa laugh. It's always fun when he comes to play. Sometimes Pedro and Peppa are allowed to help make pizzas for tea. What topping do you want? Asks Peppa. She chooses cheese, tomatoes, and mushroom. Pedro chooses cheese and pineapple. Look, shouts Pedro. I made a smiley face. Gerald Giraffe is Peppa's tallest friend. He likes running around outside. Come on, says Gerald. Let's play basketball. Peppa aims the ball toward the hoop. It is very high. Oh no, can't reach it, Peppa cries. Gerald has a go. Woo! He throws the ball through the hoop. George is Peppa's little brother. They are extra special friends. George is still small. He likes copying Peppa. Look, George, says Peppa. There's a big muddy puddle. Peppa jumped into the puddle. George jumped in too. Squeak! This muddy puddle is so big, cries Peppa. There's a room for all my friends. Peppa loves her friend. Everyone loves Peppa. Thanks for watching, kids. That's all for today. Subscribe for next. Thanks, comments and likes and subscribe. Thank you, kid. Can you please share it? See you again next time. Bye.